really know, right? But that one, as far as surprise, Dave, yeah, number one most surprised on that.
Step off the bounce, cans a three.
To separate your seat.
He's been able to dictate things already with the 17 points in this first quarter. Stops, goes right back to work and lays it up and in.
He takes on LaMelo. But he's getting ready to do a step back for three.
Hands it off to Williams.
Ben Shepherd's an excellent one-on-one defender.
Hit it with a spin move. I say the spin move.
For two.
He's been in the league a long time. He got drafted, in 2007? Fourth overall pick. Oh, Irving with a sick cross. Got the three.
2 minutes to play here in the fourth.